Today, I flew across country to buy my dream car. It all started in 2015 when I first heard of the Cadillac CTS-V coupe. Performance mixed with a unique design made this car stand out to me for years, and I dreamed of having one. If you go back to the video where I bought my Mustang GT, I talked about wanting a CTS-V back then. Randomly stopped at this dealership. I was like, do you have any CTS-Vs? Because I really wanted one. And he was like, no. Do you have any like newer Mustangs? Like something with like a Coyote engine and in manual. Fast forward to 2020, I spent months scouring the internet on every single site trying to find one. But these cars are rare. They're not like your average car where at any point you can find thousands of them for sale. There's just a handful of CTS-Vs and even less when you have specifics that you want. Like me, I wanted the coupe and I wanted it in black diamond tri-coat. I looked on Auto Tempest, Car Gurus, Cars.com, Facebook Marketplace, and at one point I almost imported one from Dubai, but that's a story for another time. I was about to give up. I quite literally out loud said I'm never going to be able to buy one of these cars because every time I found one, it would sell instantly. But then it happened. Literally not even 20 minutes after I said I'm never going to find one, I found one. I was scrolling on Facebook on a CTS-V classified page and somebody posted it 20 minutes before. Funny how that worked. So I wrote, I've cash in hand, just got to get the funds ready and we could set up a time to meet. He said, okay, if it's still available, you're welcome to it. How much of a deposit would you like to hold it? $1,000. I'll hold it till you get here, mark as pending. So I did what any normal person would do. I sent $1,000. All right, well, here goes nothing. Just sent $1,000 down payment for the CTS-V. Let's go. By 4:24 p.m., I had told him I was already booking a flight for tomorrow. The next day, 8:45 a.m., I was up going to the bank to get to the airport at 11. By 11 a.m., I was on my way to the airport with 20 grand in cash. And that's a whole story in itself because they almost didn't let me take 20 grand out. Within a few hours, I was purchasing a one-way plane ticket to North Carolina to get my dream car. I was a little nervous though because I just sent a random guy online $1,000 to hopefully hold a car for me. I've never at this point even traveled alone before. It was a huge purchase. What if something goes wrong or the car breaks down on the way home? And it's just a big waste of money and time. I had a book bag, $20,000+ in cash, a license plate, and a hoodie. That's it. TSA must have been really confused when he saw my bag. When I landed in North Carolina, so many emotions were rushing through my brain. I was extremely happy, but also, again, very nervous. I had a 40-minute Uber drive ahead of me. Most of that drive, I kind of just sat there and really thought about how crazy it is. I thought back to when I got the Mustang and how I really wanted this car, and now I'm actually getting it. It was almost like I was in a dream. Unfortunately, at this point, I didn't even think to record. I was so filled with adrenaline, excitement, and the fact that I'm buying this car that I didn't even record this entire experience of buying it. I guess it's just forever going to be a memory in my brain where I can literally recall back to those moments like it was yesterday. And that's when it happened. We pulled up, I looked to my left, and I saw it. The most beautiful car ever. I had love at first sight for that car, honestly. Seeing it for the first time and thinking, that's my car. I'm not letting this get away from me. I don't care what happens here. I'm not leaving without this car, especially because that means I have to buy a plane ticket home. This car exceeded my expectations. Other than its sheer beauty on the outside with its different angles and points, it looks amazing on the inside. Plus, it packs a punch with the power it has from the modifications that it's already got. Within a half hour of doing the test drive, we were making a deal. I literally handed him all my money and said, here, take my money. It was the most surreal feeling to pull off with that car, and honestly, everywhere I went, I was turning heads because nobody knows what this car is. At one point when I was getting gas at the gas station, this guy said to me, hey, are you driving the Batmobile? And I said, honestly, yeah. The following footage is one of the first days I was back with my brand new used car. I had to sell my Mustang GT, not because I needed the money to get the CTS-V, clearly since I already owned it. There was a couple other reasons why I had to sell it, but it was going to my friend, so I knew it was in good hands.
Boys, the day has come.
I want to post my
Joe
story.
is selling the Mustang.
So I sold you my Supra. I'm
Yep.
selling him my Mustang. They haven't seen the CTS-V yet. You want to show it?
Sure. You want to do a CTS-V review?
Kinda.
Supercharged?
Do a fucking CTS-V.
All right, all right, all right, all right. We'll get back to the Mustang in a little bit.
All right, all right, all right. We'll get back to the Mustang in a little bit.
All right, all right, all right, all right. We'll get back to the Mustang in a little bit. Damn, Joe. Thing is
Look,
sweet.
it's just upgrade, you know? Upgrade after upgrade after upgrade. You gotta do. Went from Supra, the Mustang, into a CTSV.
Dude, this
Should we start
quality
it?
on this camera.
Oh,
What's
man.
next?
Start it. Yeah, doing a photo shoot here. Doing a photo shoot. Oh,
Are you gonna put this on your story?
Yeah, this is going on my story. Proud owner of it.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
okay.
We just got E85. The bitch popped. Well, we just used 10 miles of gas. Oh, shit. All right, so we're gonna do some pulls down this road in Mexico. Very fast. I don't know. I'm slowing it down. We're just hitting 140, so. This would not be called flying across the country to buy my dream car and then crashing it without the crashing part. The actions you're about to witness are me being really stupid and trying to show off in a very dumb way. I had never done a burnout before, and I know that sounds crazy because I've done countless street races, I'd shot flames out of my car, and done a whole load of other dumb stuff in the past with my Mustang, but not a burnout. Of all things, a burnout. So, I tried to do a burnout, and overall, it went well. But there was just way too much smoke to the point where I couldn't even see anymore. I got nervous, I panicked, I slammed on the brakes, lost traction, locked up the brakes at the same time, and went off the road into a ditch with some trees.
Holy fuck.
The following clips you're gonna see is right after I crashed the car, and my friends and I were kind of messing around checking out the damage and all the dumb stuff we were trying to do to fix it, which ultimately created more work, but still it made for funny content. Got some work to do. I'm just telling them that we have some work to do and we're about to do a time lapse.
We're gonna do a big time lapse, boys. We got the guns out.
Wait, what do we have that for?
Don't worry about it, Joe.
What
Don't
the fuck
you
do we
worry.
have this for?
Don't you worry.
What are we cutting?
We got it. Don't worry.
Oh,
We're gonna fix it up. What did I tell you? I told you, so we're gonna fix it.
oh my god, what are we cutting? I'm confused.
Nothing. It just
Oh,
brought it
okay.
out. You're so scared.
The fucking tree you got hiding under this cunt. That's what we gotta cut.
Oh, there it is.
There she goes.
Fucking pull it out. Literally pull it out.
is it?
This is your fucking
Dude,
sprayer
look at
for the
the
lights.
There's a
We have a
light.
sprayer for the lights?
Yeah.
What?
Wow, do you ever think you'd have the bumper off so soon? Look at the beautiful styrofoam.
Literally untouched, honestly.
It's your coolant line right here is cocked.
Really?
Yeah.
It was leaking out because it's all like fucked right there.
Up. So point
Look
it
at
up
that.
here.
See that?
Point it up here.
Yeah, it got shot.
Yeah, that stuff like
It's
straight
right at-
snapped off on the right side.
Alright. We'll get back to you guys in a bit when we figure this out.
It's like a cap for the radiator or
Why is it
something.
on the bottom and why is it on metal? That's where it should
Watch what?
be. Yeah.
Maybe it like shifted. It's not supposed to be there or something, and it like shifted from the
bumper
crash.
didn't even get damaged.
Well, I don't know. I'm trying to think of fucking ideas. It's all wet in there now.
I don't. Again, this piece of metal is definitely fucking bent. 100%.
What metal?
This metal.
Like the frame?
Well, it's
Not
not
the
part of the frame. It's bolted on, but it's something we can hit back. It doesn't fucking support anything but like the rate. It literally supports nothing. There's nothing on it.
That's why you don't stop. Oh.
I know I shouldn't have stopped.
Especially.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
No.
You gotta.
Oh God,
You have to man it. You have to man it back.
Well,
Bend it back. Bend it
the
back.
good news is,
back.
listen,
does
here's the good news. It's
Here's
gonna
the-
go fine.
It's not. You don't know how to use a sawzall.
I don't know how to use a sawzall.
It's more bent than before.
Clearly, you do not know
You
how to
absolute
use it.
dumbass.
I want you to try
give me-
this with it.
give me the
Go ahead,
fucking
get in there, honey. Go ahead.
Look at the bumper. Look at the bumper.
The bumper broke.
Brand
Carbon
new
fiber,
bumper.
bro.
holy
The whole bottom of the bumper's gone.
She's a little eaten up on the bottom.
That's what happens when you fall some trees.
Oh wait, you're actually gonna do it? Okay.
Where? I also frame houses for a living, so.
So fix the frame of the car, please.
You're gonna really use that?
That's worth it, huh?
She did it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Alright.
We're gonna take your bumper off.
It's gonna fall off, but okay. It's just on by the corner. That's all I put it on.
Oh, it's actually sliding. Wait, dude, it's sliding. No.
It'll slide on his head.
That's a terrible idea. Put it on a jack
Oh,
stand.
she's fucked.
Wow, dang you down there.
Underneath and just ruins everything.
You should have just disconnected this side and pulled this side off.
Huh?
But no.
It's too late.
It's
It
too
is,
late. It's cut now.
but that's okay.
Fuck.
You can weld it
too
or
late.
something.
Yeah, now it's
Okay, go ahead. It's working. Go, winch the bitch. Winch the bitch. No, tie it to something. It's working.
No,
I
you're
like it a lot.
Hold on. What are we gonna tie?
I gotta guide the bitch
I
in.
got my foot on it.
Oh,
Okay?
this is so good. I love it.
Not working. I'm not gonna lie.
Fuck you, I told you. I got beat.
It's gonna fall on his head. How the fuck she work?
Yeah, but as soon as that
Oh.
thing gets in the hole.
Yeah, it's the red lever.
Uh-huh.
It's the red lever.
Nah, just put it on this fucking thing. I mean, I don't know.
What are you gonna do? Oh, we're getting tight. We're getting tight. I
Oh, we like it tight.
Slow down. Hey,
Okay, hold on. Keep going. Ready?
slow.
Keep
Go
going.
slow.
Keep going.
I didn't think that was gonna go.
The attic is coming down.
You ready?
Yeah, go.
And now we're actually pulling. Oh, the car.
That's bad. No. Okay. Hold on.
You want one more click?
I don't know what to do now.
Give him one more
Wait,
click.
wait, wait. Wait, no. Let's take a look.
Now that's.
How do you pull it? Okay.
Don't move, don't move.
Oh fuck, he's so light. Holy fuck.
Oh, so nice. Look at that shit. Should go in a little bit.
Stick.
Grease.
That's pink.
That's
Yeah.
the oil dipstick.
How do you know?
Because it's motor oil.
How the fuck did you find that so fast? It's pink.
So, doesn't matter.
This side or that side?
What?
That side's shot. Yeah. This side's
doing-
cut.
Well, then what do you guys want to do tonight?
Ask Tony, he started cutting.
Okay, that was my fault.
That's like overlooking the plan. It's cut down Ciao. I'll see you, buddy. Going home.
Oh, she's a little bent too.
The whole thing's bent, buddy. He hit a fucking tree. He
Inches
ran
of
over a fucking 8-inch tall stump.
Wait.
We cut it down
Wait.
4 inches and
Hold
it's
on,
still scraped.
Hold on. Is the car
So this here is what the car looks like now. Completely finished. I don't have a splitter on the front because to this day, I have no idea where it went. It just disappeared after the crash. And I didn't want to spend $500 on a new one. Also, don't mind that shit looking truck over to the side. That's a project. I've learned over the last almost 2 years that life is short and that I want to live and do as much as I can because I don't want to be on my deathbed saying, I wish I did something, but I didn't do it because I was scared. This video was recorded all the way back in 2020 and 2021. Since then, I moved all the way across the country to Florida. I sold the CTSV to start a business, I bought a house, and I had a glow up. But one thing remains the same. I love cars. And with that being said, what should I buy next?